Welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Friends, it's a Dassault Rafale fighter jet. It is outfitted with long-range air-to-air missiles, long-range standoff missiles, anti-ship missiles, and laser-guided bombs and non-guided classic bombs, and 2500 rounds per minute 30 internal cannon available on both single and two-seater fighter jets. Dassault Rafale is an Indian fighter jet. It was manufactured by France. Its price is $120 million. It is outfitted with two turbofan engines and can run with the maximum speed of 2,222 km per hour. It consumes 7,000 pound force of power to fly in the sky. Its travel range is 3,704 km. It covers 0.308 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It can go up to 55,000 feet in the sky and covers 60,000 feet distance in 1 minute. It requires 400-meter distance to take off. Maximum payload on this jet is 9,520 kilograms. Its fuel tank. Okay friends, this was Dassault Rafale. We will meet in our next video soon.